Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add auto velocity to your videos in CapCut PC. So, making a velocity movement is kind of like, it's not hard, it's just very time consuming. So what they did is they just added a new auto velocity button. So go to AI stylize and under style, entry Wilson, okay. It's going to be under video effects, and you'll be able to see auto velocity here, and you can just add it to your videos, and it's going to simply add velocity without you having to create the effect in itself. And this is what the final product looks like. That's pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!